Hi everyone. In this module, we will be talking about ASI 03 identity and privilege abuse. It exists because most identity systems were designed for humans and conventional services, not autonomous workers or agents that delegate tasks, retain context, and act across multiple systems. Imagine a finance agent with access to payroll, procurement, and legal records. It delegates a narrow database lookup to a worker agent but passes along its full access token. The worker now has far more authority than its task requires. If that worker is manipulated, the attacker can reach data and the original request never justified. So, identity abuse is different from tool misuse. Tool misuse asks, did the agent use its granted capability unsafely? Identity abuse asks, should this agent have had or inherited the capability at all? The foundation of the defense is a distinct identity for every agent. Do not hide all agent activity behind one shared service account. You need to know which agent acted on behalf of which user, for what purpose, and under what policy. Permission should be task scope and time bound. Issue a short lived token for the specific subject, resource, action, and duration. Reauthorize privilege actions at the moment of use. Separate memory and execution context by users, sessions, and tasks. Verify agent identities and sign descriptors in agent registries. Strong identity controls protect non agents and tools, but what if the component you trusted was compromised before it reached you or changes dynamically at runtime? Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video.